Hi, where should I start from? There's actually nothing. Yes, nothing. OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei's latest tech venture, Nothing, opened up for community to invest in the company. This newly launched company has already raised $22 million and now plans to add $1.5 million through these invites. Well, we are talking about Nothing because we know that the company's first product is going to be a wireless earbuds. And in general, we are always excited to hear about the new tech gadgets. So it'll be really interesting to see which is that extra element that Nothing will bring in its upcoming wireless earbuds. Anyway, moving on. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain and this is our latest Q&A video where we answer to all your technology related questions. Do you want to ask anything? Just put your question in the comment box, use the hashtag Let's Get Techie and we'll take it next week. Also guys, we are really close to hitting that 1 lakh subscriber mark on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go and do it right away. Subscribe to India Today Tech and help us reach a small but really important milestone. I shall take your questions now. Radio 51 writes, I want to buy a true wireless earbud under ₹5,000. I go to the gym and travel by walking a lot. So I need something with good fit. I'm a huge music guy, so good quality is a must. Good mic will also help. Realme Buds Air Pro. You know why? Because this pair of wireless earbuds come with secure grip and water resistance. That means you don't have to worry while gymming or while traveling. The design quality is pretty decent and like you mentioned, you're a music freak, then I would say the sound performance is quite good as well. This earbuds comes with a 10mm driver and support ANC. But there's actually one more pair of earbuds at this price point that you can check out, and it is Mi True Wireless Earphones 2. This also comes with good specs and features, but it doesn't boast canal ear tips. So if you are fine without it, then you can of course check out this one from Xiaomi. Chiranjeet Bhattacharya and Gogula asked me the very same question. Is Samsung F62 worth buying? See, over the last few months, Samsung is trying really hard to capture the mid-range market. And to be honest, Galaxy F62 is another attempt in the same direction. The phone features 7000 mAh battery and comes with 64 megapixel quad camera setup at the back and supports 4K video capture as well. But there is a long way before Samsung can actually compete with the likes of OnePlus or say Xiaomi or Realme in this particular category. The F62 lacks a high refresh rate and also does not support HDR as of now. The phone is powered by Exynos 9825, which is a company's flagship chipset, but was launched around 18 months ago, which means it is quite old by now. So yes, instead of buying Galaxy F62, you can also consider buying OnePlus Nord or maybe Mi 10i. Secure Short Roaster writes, can you please suggest a worth and affordable 5G smartphone? I'm confused between Realme X7 and Mi 10i, but it's more than my budget. Will Realme X7 affordable in coming months? See, Realme X7 is the most affordable 5G phone available in India right now. It's also the latest, so there are very less chances in the price drop of Realme X7. Now if you want me to pick one out of Realme X7 and Mi 10i, I will prefer Mi 10i. It's an all-rounder smartphone and another key highlight of this phone is its 108 megapixel main shooter. Sushil Kumar says, Hi Pavni Jain. Hi Sushil. Could you please give a review of Nokia 5.4? With its price and specification, will you please say whether mobile is worth buying? Could you please say something about its body structure and quality? You can read the full review of Nokia 5.4 on India Today Tech's website. It's a pretty decent smartphone from Nokia with Snapdragon 662 chipset and 48 megapixel quad camera system. However, I feel that it could have been priced better, especially when it comes with a 720p display and also mediocre Snapdragon 662 chip. But you can still consider buying this smartphone for its pure Android experience. Prerna Kothari has a question and it goes like, can you suggest a smartwatch at less than rupees 10,000? Check out Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, which is priced at rupees 7,000. The best part about this smartwatch is that it's comfortable and also lightweight. What I personally like about Amazfit watches is the display. This one comes with 1.55-inch display and produces really vibrant and crispy visuals. Bijay Lakshmi Behra says, with due respect, madam, as Parliament report 5G technology implementation is too late in our country. There is also not sure about support of bands which current smartphone companies are providing. Regarding the matter, how could we confirm if it's the right time to purchase 5G technology enabled phones? Do you have any particular expectations about the launch of 5G in our country? Okay, here's the news. So the Department of Telecommunications, DOT, is likely to announce the schedule of 5G trials in the coming days. DOT has also undertaken a meeting with telecom operators and equipment makers regarding the same. Now, when is the right time to buy a 5G phone? Let me tell you that the trials will probably begin in the coming days, but it will take months for 5G network to become mainstream. You'll also need to understand that whichever phone you buy right now will become outdated in next 12 months when 5G arrives. So in that case, you will actually have better and more affordable 5G smartphones in the next 12 months. Now, absolutely there is no harm in buying a 5G smartphone right now, but you don't have to willingly look for a phone with 5G network. You should assess the phone on the basis of other features, and 5G should just be an add-on. So that was all for today's episode. Thank you for asking all the questions. If you want to ask anything, just put it in the comment box. Use the hashtag #Let'sGetTechie and we'll take it in the next video. You know the drill, just like and share this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button for India Today Tech.